Ooh, it's too bad this isn't smell-o-vision, or you could smell all the onions we just got done chopping up there. We wear the onion goggles here. We keep them in this little case here that we've been using them, for several years. But they're super nice. They have clear plastic lenses. Let's see if I can get them out of there. And they have this foam around the eyepieces to keep the onion particulates from getting into your eyes and making your eyes tear up. And it also is really good for smoke too, although I haven't used them for smoke. I mostly just use them for onions. But let me just tell you a quick story here. Today, I wasn't even the one chopping the onions, and I had the goggles on, and my eyes were fine and everything, but then I took them off, and like 5 minutes later, just from all the little vapors in the air, my eyes started watering after the chopping was over and after I took the goggles off. But while the chopping was happening, I didn't have any issues at all. So they obviously work. Good stuff, huh? And then we have this nice bowl here that we keep our onions in. Oops, put it on right side, and it's got this little vented top there, and just holds it on there. Really nice set of bowls too. But anyway, onion goggles, good stuff.